It's Randy on Jamaica Good Life.
Hi, Randy. How are you?
I'm super. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm a bit tired. I'm coming from work, but I'm okay.
Where are you from originally?
Originally, I'm from Jamaica.
Yes? We're in Jamaica.
Yeah, I told you.
Where is in Jamaica?
St. Catherine.
Wow. You sound so...
Spanish Town.
You sound so British.
I'm not British. I'm not British, but I'm Yardi. I'm Jamaican.
You
I'm
sound...
Jamaican. I'm gonna live in England for 21 years, so you know.
You sound so British. Me think it was a nice light-skinned lady. Mister,
I'm a nice Jamaican lady.
Mister, what this?
At Jamaica, I come from, man. Jamaica, born and grew in Jamaica.
That is what me want to hear. Me hear you know. Me hear you know, Mrs. Me hear you know. Me I go take you out. You want some breadfruit? You want some ackee and saltfish? Would you want some?
Everything.
Me hear you know. You want to go up a bush? You want some coconut water? Me hear you know.
I want cornmeal, Manchester.
You want turn cornmeal with fish in it? You want a piece of pudding? You want some okra and saltfish? Me hear you know. For the first time I call you, you never sound like you're Jamaican. Me there go up the phone.
I am Jamaican.
Me say, this is Randy on Jamaica Good Life. We call in UK right now. Me sis, tell me about yourself, the show, the love what you offer me, how much money you go send and the t-shirt you go buy. Talk to me. Hey. Me say me love when you like cook food. Tell me about yourself. What's your profession?
I know.
What is your profession?
You're doing a good job.
What is your profession? What you do? How much picnic you have? You married? How the family?
Right. I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse. Not a nurse for my network. Not a nurse.
I was a hairdresser before I left Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
And I went to England. Studied for 4 years. And I'm a psychiatric nurse now.
What you said to me?
Yeah.
So when me get mad ideas, me just call you.
Yes. I'm the right person.
So me want you on the show regular, man. So because enough of them Jamaica need some help, you know.
Oh God.
The whole country need you.
Oh.
The whole country need you.
I know. You know, I was hoping to go back home and work somewhere in Jamaica, you know, but it's a bit, I don't know. I couldn't make my mind up.
You married?
No.
You have You have kids?
No.
Well then, me not have a perfect man for you in Jamaica, man.
Oh my God.
So you save up and you build a house and you're ready for build in Jamaica?
Yes, man. I heard about the little one now.
You're not going to build a little house? A big house you're going to build?
No, this is not a big house. No way.
Where you want to live? Where do you want to live?
That's a good question. I want to go back to my parish.
St. Catherine?
Yes.
Okay, and you want to retire there? How much more? Okay,
yes.
I'm not going to ask you no age question, but...
That's right.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to dishonor you, disrespect you. Are you a good Christian or a good Rasta? What are you?
Am I a good what?
Christian or a good Rasta?
I'm a good Christian.
Good. You better believe in Jesus to the fullest. Are you the money Jesus?
Without Jesus, I wouldn't be talking to you now, you know what I mean?
But there's two kind of Jesus people, you know, the money Jesus and the righteous Jesus people. Are you the righteous?
No.
You're the righteous one?
Yes.
Good. That's all more here. Me no mix up with the money Jesus people, them, just so you know.
No.
Good.
No.
So you've been watching the show, how it work?
Oh my God, Randy, I tell you, you don't know what you do to me. Oh my God.
Talk to me.
Oh, I can't explain.
Yeah, explain the love. Me send you the love. Send it back.
Boy, you brighten up the day. Every night I'm at work. Sometimes I'm going to get into trouble on the phone just because of you.
Don't lose your job. We're going to need the donation.
You know what I mean? Oh my God.
Mr. My
I've
love.
been watching you for a good while now, you know.
Yeah, and you just see the number pop up.
I got when I saw your number and I thought, bloody hell, right?
Bloody hell. Bloody hell. So you have got to teach me some British. Bloody hell, bloody fool. Me say them bloody people that talk about bloody Jamaica, bloody. Blood is blood, bloody all over the world. Bloody idiot them. Jamaica good, man. Jamaica good life, me say, you know.
I love Jamaica to my heart. I've tried to, well, I used to. I'm in the US now, but I used to travel there twice a year.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because my mom is still there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I was hoping to go sometime this month, but I took too long to book my tickets. But the tickets are too expensive now, so I'll wait until early next year.
Early next year?
Yeah, man.
Me say you want to go early next year, that is a good thing.
I'm definitely going next year, God willing.
You have to go, and you see what I've laid out for you. You see the location name that me lay out for you. I mean, you see Travelers, right? You can go to Travelers.
Yes, yes, man.
You have to go.
Yes. Yeah, it was good.
No, when
I tried in Negril sometime, but I said, maybe, you know, we don't know anybody. I said in what's it called? Rio, I think it's called. Rio.
Okay. You did all inclusive.
That's it, yeah.
Me say me love on a man.
I go to country, I go to St. Catherine, and I go to the bushes with my cousins, and you know.
Where in St. Catherine?
Right, it's a place called I'm gonna tell it now. Have you heard of Point Hill?
What name?
Point Hill.
Point Hill, okay.
Yeah.
I used to go to Linstead all age.
It's not. Oh yeah, I know that. I heard you all the time, man. I know, yeah.
Yeah. I used to go to Linstead all age. So you say Point
it's
Hill.
Not far from Dovecot. You heard of Dovecot, haven't you?
Yes. Mr. Me love.
Not far from there.
Me see your number come up. Give me the first name or just give me a letter. Miss P or Miss D or Miss E.
That's a Miss S.A.
Miss S.H. All right, good. Yeah, me so happy to hear from you, because I see numbers pop up.
I'm happy so much. I'm happy, honestly. I've been telling everybody about you. Oh my God.
Me say
I've been telling everybody about you, man.
Which one?
You're doing such a good job.
What show is your favorite show?
Oh my God, let me see what I remember now. The favorite one I think, apart from Porky and what's his name? Concrete? Not Concrete.
Trusty.
That's it. Apart from him, from that one, I like it when you know in Manchester.
Oh, with Baba.
With Baba. With Baba, if I beat the coffee, you know me, and I'm funny because I remember my grandmother used to do that back in the days when I was a kid.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
You used to pick the coffee, the red coffee beans off the tree, put them on the zinc or in the barbecue to dry, you know?
Yeah.
And then we have to, after it dry, just like what Mama was doing. She beat it, and then she roast it, and then, but guess what? After she roast it and grind it, and she make the coffee, she don't give us some, no. She don't give us anything to drink. Coffee, that's what it is. And you have to go sit down now and see how the grandfather drinking the coffee. It smells the aroma. Oh my God.
Wow.
I'm thinking of bush tea between bush tea, tea, dandelion, Jackie in the bush. All of them tea to give us to drink. But it wasn't good.
So this brings you back to your roots.
Yes, man. It take me back to square one. You know, like the people who have dementia, they have short-term memory, they can't remember nothing that happened just now, but they remember the long-term. It's like that. It's like me gone way back to my childhood now.
So me, I work psychotherapy on you.
Yes! You work in psychotherapy and the psychiatric nurse. Oh my God, this is so good.
Let me tell you, I knew what I was doing, because I knew that in the heart and soul of every Jamaican, there's something that lives in there.
Yes, man, you're such I'm telling you, I know a lot of people must be following you. And I'm sure you're making them feel homesick right now.
I want them to feel good, man, because you know what? I know life is hard out there for many Jamaicans. And if I can be their cameraman to make them feel good, look, my job is done. It's a feel-good life, a good life, we say,
Wow.
And it doesn't matter where you are, you're going to have a good life, whether in UK or I'm going to make sure everybody have a good life, and that is the whole thing about Jamaicans. We can now network in a positive, good way so that we kind of get out the negative thing. We're moving to a positive 2020 positive world. So
positivity with the all the time. You're right.
Me love me Christian, then me love me Ras, me love everyone. You see me?
I know. You have to.
And me have me deacon on my show too, Hey.
The deacon, how would I know?
You must listen to the show with my deacon, man. The last sipper. The show named The Last Sipper. The last supper. The last sipper. A sip where I cook now. So you you must look out for that show there. I'm not jobless. My deacon come on, I think number 52 or 51.
I think they was 51 or 52.
Okay, yeah man, my deacon there. What do you know? My deacon there. So church should start,
I the one that said got church, I didn't.
No, I the one where have the 7 son them.
Oh, I go from Texas.
Yes.
Oh, yes, man.
I'm a deacon that man for my Christian. Me have to service everybody, Me have to service my Christian and my Rast. Me have to service everybody,
Oh my God, that's good, man. Me a little thing that I'm a melody to you. I think I last night,
Yeah, man. Me I go bring a man for church. Him I go have church service, man. What I'm tell you. Me not left out my Christian now. No, man. We have to bring up the thing, man. Yes, man. Him there, man.
Oh God.
Me only select people with authentic, the Christ thing. Me not select the. Me don't want the fakers them around me. Me don't want them around me.
I
don't want them, because no fakers around there talk about Jesus. I don't want them around me. I don't want them around me.
So much.
So Deacon did it for way, and let me tell you something. The good life is to balance, man. We're going to do it, You see, if you stand by my side, Lady SH, we can heal Jamaica. Because when me call you upon the time where you give me say, give them some psychological help, because them need it. Them need it. What would you say? Give me some solution for Jamaica right now. How can we make Jamaica better?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm thinking of the biggest problem in Jamaica right now. Young people don't have no work. They can't farm land, yes. They can't farm land because enough land left to farm. They don't want to do that. They want quick money. But the piece of the government that provides enough work for them. But they could have work and earn the money and go home and look over their family. I mean, that wouldn't matter with so much crime. No, that wouldn't matter with the crime. That's the crime. The crime I kill Jamaica right now. The crime.
So in your working years and your time, when you sit down to map out a plan in your head, because every Jamaican, we are part of the puzzle. And this is why I say, I don't say them, I don't say government no more, I say we. So what I've done in my shows, whenever I speak to people, I say, okay, it is not them, it is not government, it is we. So the first thing for unity is to identify the problem is our fault. Our, meaning that the people of Jamaica and the people of America. Because What we're trying to do is to talk about a bigger picture, meaning that, okay, you there UK 20 years, you never send $10 a month to build the health insurance, the hospital what we need to build, right?
You know what I mean?
So now, you see, JGL, Jamaica Good Life,
Yes.
we as JGL people, we are going to bring the PNP and the JLP together.
Trinity.
Yes, the JGL, the Jamaica Good Life, is made up of, is a body of PNP and JLP people where decide say we have to come up with new ideas.
Well,
This is
right
what
now I'm family I try to build this one retire still come over here. She try to build a home at Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
So that's one of my plan in the back of my head, one of my idea what I have. That the country would some way, somehow.
You're going to open up a little center for the mentally ill or...
Well, because me being with the mentally ill,
Yeah.
I would like to do that, but I don't think the plan is for mentally ill, if you know what I mean. But if it's even so, give some voluntary service. They have Bellevue down there. I know they have Bellevue.
Mm-hmm.
They have quite a few psychiatric wards there. I know that.
Mm-hmm.
If it's even so volunteer, I'm bored because I know that my training in England, I'm not saying they don't train the properly in Jamaica. But my training in England, where I'm at now, I could go there and even teach.
Teach.
You know, teach them something new. Yes.
My dear, you know,
one day.
my dear, maybe me can further that. Me's an execution man, you know, my life to do things soon. So you may I say to you, with PowerPoint and PowerPoint narration, you can create some lectures. Don't put your name or whatever upon it. Put your name upon it. Me upload it to the site. You can teach our entire people right now wherever you are. The point is this.
Wow.
In a year from now, you have to create a presentation. Send it to me. Put audio on it. And then we just push it out to the people. Because this world is a virtual world. It's not a physical world. So more if you think about that way, you dealing with the brain, you know, right? And them say Jamaica bad mind. You have to
hard work, you know. Hard job, you know.
You have to go good.
I think it's gonna be the hardest job on this planet.
Oh, you mean,
and
man?
If you don't have love, you don't have patience, don't even think about it.
Man, I tell you, man.
Don't even think about it.
So
you have to have love and whatever patience.
Yeah, man, a
patient. What I am doing.
A patient. What month you born?
January.
What day? What day?
20.
You know, me know you there go say that. Me say me know you there. No make me cuss bad word, you know.
Stop it.
Don't make me cuss bad word, you know. Me not supposed to cuss bad word to Christian people. No, don't make me cuss bad word, you know. Me say don't make me cuss bad word when you can say that to me, you know. Cause me know God is real, you know. But me never know God's so real. Don't make me cuss bad word. But me not gonna cuss it, you know, cause me record the conversation for put it online. But don't make me, you know what I say to you. My daughter born January 20.
Stop it. I'm one bit me, God.
You see, when you say patience, man, she had the coolest human being in the world.
Alright.
So me know you, you know, me know you're good, you're stubborn, you know.
Alright.
You see, you're stubborn, you know, nobody can tell you if you move, you know, you're not move.
I don't know what people about myself, but you're a good girl.
Me know say you're a good girl, you're the best, but you're stubborn. Me say if you say lotion your foot, Lady H, you will spite people and no lotion your foot. And me daughter that.
Oh my God, I could have kissed you through the phone, you're right. At least you know that about myself.
Your father couldn't tell you nothing, your mother couldn't tell you nothing. You did it in your little head. And me say to my daughter this man at the car, me say Anais. Me look at him and him look at me quietly. Master of the universe, master of the brain. Wanna work with the psyche of the brain. Wanna manipulate everything. No wonder why you know.
Oh my God.
Me said no man couldn't tell you nothing. What kind of man can talk to you? Lord.
Oh my God. You know what's up?
Me know, man. You deal with the brain, me deal with the brain too. Why you think me put this effect on uno have to call me? A brain me deal with. I ran the program for put back good life in my people. We are gonna eradicate bad mind through visual, picture, good vibration. The whole of Jamaica, them when we done with them, then I don't want bad mind, you know. There's gonna be no more bad mind in Jamaica when we done with them.
But I want the bad mind from them. I don't know what.
And there's a step to it because we can have this high level discussion, and I'm gonna tell you personally, when religion told us that we were negative, that had a psychological impact on us.
My God.
And we brought it.
True.
And we brought it throughout the years. Me negative, you know. Me a sinner, you know. You see, there's a different kind of Christian we understand, and then there's a different kind of Christian we just follow. We understand that negative energy has nothing to do with the Almighty. No fear. You know, have nothing to do with the Almighty. So you talk to our people that is in slavery, you know, so them get up in my mind and says, I'm a sinner. No. Psychologically, if you tell yourself you say you're bad, yes or no, are you going to be bad? Right?
Oh, sorry, I missed that.
It may say, if you tell yourself every morning that you are a sinner, will your life turn out good?
No.
Okay. If you tell yourself every morning that I'm a good human being trying to be better, would your life turn out better?
It will be.
So we have been taught that we're bad.
That's true.
What does kids when you tell kids that them are the devil, what them turn out to be? Killing and shooter.
Killers.
The word with them put in our head, you know. And you see these Jamaican women bleaching, why? Because them got white, right?
Right.
If we had a black Madonna on the wall in every church, a black woman, and we did pray to the black Madonna, or the black woman where the Pope pray to, would you think that Jamaican woman would be more powerful? So we have to start looking at the bigger picture and stop afraid. You see me? That is one of the reasons why me create this program. Me now play no game with them, you know, but I fun and games when they must say food. But the challenge for us as Jamaicans is to look into what is the cause of bad mind. Bad mind no caused by just jealousy, you know. Bad mind is a psychological issue, and you are the person who know what me I talk about.
Bad mind. It's bad mind. No man, me can't. Me can't. I know people can't be bad mind people. Bad mind, you will have your own.
Jamaica, let me tell you something. You see, Jamaicans are good people. You see, when you show them something them can't achieve, you see when Jamaicans say foreign life and them can't, these are people who achieve anything, you know. But when you show them something where them can't get, you know, and that's why them start to turn negative, you know, because with media, data upon phone, you try to be American have foundation and jobs. When you know no job, and them are trying to be American, so what them do?
And they want to live the American life.
Oh Lord, man, you can't live a lifestyle and you can't support it. So what happens psychologically now? The media is to be blamed. You see? Because so now Jamaica Good Life come in and say we have to create a psychological programming to show Jamaicans abroad what the good life really is, so them not get too far into the machine world. Then we have to show the Jamaican yard what the real good life is, simplicity. So them not get too far into the machine world. So what we're fighting is not ideology that separates each other, you know. What we're fighting is what the machine world is doing to our people.
My God.
That's what we're fighting now. And
Yeah.
what Jamaica Good Life is doing to you when you go work, while you're at the phone and you're what Jamaica? Mister and the pure goodness me I put in it I reach you know. So when you're there work and you're there on the phone, I say, wait man, take a lunch break and me miss a episode.
Thank you, love. Thank you.
Me I forget me fix.
Yeah.
Me I forget me fix today. Cause me want the Jamaica fix. Jamaica is healing. It's love.
Yeah. It's addictive, I tell you, it's addictive.
Because that is you. We don't want you to go too far in Babylon, go build a big house. We want you to build your big house. Hey, when you're ready for cooking, call me over. Go build your big house. Randy, come over for dinner, cook the food.
I'm short, man. For real, man.
Let me tell you.
I love cooking up. I love cook.
What kind of things you cook? What kind of things you cook?
I cook anything I give me cook.
What you said to me, man?
Anything. Man not teach me. Me just cook. Remember when I was a girl in my teenage years, I was living with my sister, older sister, and she was married. And she used to vex with me because the husband used to tell her, say, my food tastes better than fair one. He said, don't do this for me.
Don't do this. Any woman will cook good food, I go get good love, you know me. I tell you that is when a woman cook good, she will be dealt with properly. But the woman
does not cook.
The woman them
cook anything.
So you learn
anything to me can English.
Wow.
American yet though.
So how you like where you live in your location?
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Where I'm at now, it's good, it's quiet. I like a quiet life.
Is it Brixton? Is it Brixton?
I'm in US now.
Oh, you're there in US? Where?
Yeah. I'm in New York.
Oh, what you said to me? Then me not carve dinner. Lord God. Go buy gas. Go buy gas for the stove. Randy's coming for dinner. Yes, yes, Lady H. You're the first house me I go eat. Just make sure you have my white, you know, you spread the thing. Me want my knife and fork. Go get a big plate for me. And you see when I walk in at the door and ring the doorbell and I start the filming and put on my tripod and just sit down at the table. I say, let's just have it, the whole Jamaica go see the table. And we can say, me want escabeche fish with onions and scallion and quinoa and some carrot juice with some ginger in it with a little lemon on the side. Me I take about lime split in half. Right, I'll put it on the side of the glass with a nice big fork.
You know the correct thing here, we can't get the proper fish.
You can't get
the proper fish I get
up here, okay. No man, proper fish about the place, man. We're going to set up a schedule so we can go do a Jamaica Good Life in the Bronx. You're the first one. Me now put your face on it. I just the plate them want to say. Me say me want you to put the flour and the egg and then dip the fish in a hit. You see me? Hey, you ever fry fish yet with cornmeal dipping with egg?
Cornmeal and the egg. No, me fry with the cornmeal. Me never use the egg.
You ever fry fish yet with flour?
Yes, man.
But if you try cornmeal, dip the fish in a cornmeal and fry it.
Cornmeal and egg?
Yes.
I first tell about the egg. I'm going to put in a cornmeal, and I'm going to put in an egg.
Yes. Yeah, man. So, ton cornmeal and all them things. I bring see them, I believe it. Because when me hear you with the British accent, me never did read the text good. Brit.
No, me kind of out of the Bronx. Not the Bronx, me now West Texas. Near the Bronx.
Okay. You like the quiet life. So, you're well educated. You have your master's degree. Educated people, master's degree.
Yes.
Don't tell me say you have your doctorate.
If we have what?
Your doctorate.
No.
Okay, good. Well, I'm so happy for me.
No, must have been bringing.
I'm happy to be bringing.
We have to treat the street surgeon, the street consultant, and I'm being done.
So wait a minute. Wow. You treat some big people.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
You still have to style them as professor, doctor. You still have to give them titles, even though I'm sick, you know?
Wow, you're such an important person in network. So far, I have a nurse. I have a psychiatric nurse now, right? That's the right title for you. What's your correct title?
That's it.
Psychiatric nurse. I have a construction guy. I have a restaurant manager. I have a man with build bed and carpentry. I have a man.
You have deacon.
I have a deacon on the network now.
Yeah.
Who else I have? I have some people who send them car from UK go Jamaica, right? I have coaches on the thing. Who else I have? Somebody I have the best herbalist in the world on my network, right? I have a man who can make castor oil from scratch, right?
Oh.
Herbal soldier. Then I have. Me know say herbal soldier. Me know say herbal soldier. I look for the now. Me see I look for the muscles of my side. Me like that.
I love Nick. Nick cool.
Nick, yeah man, Nick and Soldier and Trusty. So we have.
Cool, man.
We have the welder. We have a welder.
Yeah.
We have a mechanic. A Jamaica, 1 foot. I mean.
Oh, 1 yes, man.
You say 1 foot.
You see, I'm there. Me keep up in there.
You see.
No pass me.
This is a one. See everything. You see everything every episode. That means if me all show up 100 episodes, you're mad. You have to go take a vacation to watch them. A soap opera business. Wait, hey, you know, so I go home right now and I go upload the first road trip to Manchester.
Oh, you get to Manchester. I never finish it.
No, man, me there tease the people there, me see me.
Oh.
And then everybody want that are coming at 3 parts. You see that man, and hey, me shoot some things at Baba Yard, you see. Me shoot some things at Baba Yard.
Hey, Baba place, you know?
Yeah, man. Yes.
Baba place to get a chunk white side of it, man.
Yeah, man. Baba really
Him
bless.
bless.
Him bless.
Him bless.
Yeah, man. I mean...
Well, it's strong. I have help to this.
How long you been watching?
I've been watching... You know, let me tell you, which one now? Oh my God. The first one I watch.
How many months?
I watch a lot. Oh, months. I've been watching for about a year now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every night you watch it? Every night?
Night and day. Night and day.
You're real dirty people to write it.
Night and day. Some of them I go back and watch them over again.
So do you think I should focus on doing this forever?
Yeah, do a good job, sir.
So keep doing it.
Yes, don't stop.
Wow.
Unless I get a reason to stop. But don't stop.
You know, the people that might tell me, say, Randy, this thing make with life complete.
True, man. True. You know what it feels, sir? But it feels oh God. When him again. This farmer, the doctor have farmed for 60 years.
Oh, you did feel for the elder.
And he died. He died, didn't he?
And my uncle, my grandfather,
Oh, me almost cry, man.
You see the ceremony where we put on for him?
He set up and yes.
And me orchestrate all of that, you know. Me keep the spirituality.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, man.
That's good, man.
Yeah, man, we honor him, man. 60 years of farming. I'm at the backbone of Jamaica.
Yeah.
And them people are, man. And them people are do it for we, man. That's why we say dirty people. Dirty people are the people that have their hands dirty. So it's a good thing.
That's right. That's right.
You know, the foundation of our country is farming, man, and we can't forget what's important in our country. Farming.
Well, I remember me a child, you know. My grandfather worked for that, you know. I remember not them days there. You know when you used to pay a man to come work for him. My grandmother cook zinc pan and food. I mean zinc, you know, zinc pan, I call zinc pan. You don't know zinc pan?
Me don't know zinc pan?
Yeah, you know zinc pan?
You know who you talk to? Me don't know if you know who you talk to. Me know. Don't make me cuss bad word. Don't make me cuss bad word. Me not gonna cuss a bad word.
Right.
But let me tell you. Go on.
Go on.
Hey, let me just let you know. A outside toilet me shitting off for 2 weeks for do that film behind it. Don't offend me. Don't offend me. Don't offend me. Cause you offend me when you ask me if me know zinc pan. Me know cockroach. Me know big jumbo roach when me in a outside toilet. Me have toilet paper in a outside toilet and cockroach them a greet me. Randy, welcome back. Me say one of the yard do hang out. When you not get no college degree, the cockroaches say no, no talk to us. Welcome back to the yard. The same cockroach them left from Manchester, them still there in the outside toilet. Same on them.
When you sit up my tight, you're going to feel.
Hey.
You're going to feel it and feel that they're going to say hello.
You know what I say? Me, I go bring you. Me, I go bring you go now way. Me, I go test you. See the toilet there, go on in. Me, I go bring you back. Me, I go bring you back to life. Watch me and you. Me, I go bring you back to life. Go say hello to the jumbo car. Alright, so tell them about the zinc pan. Go on.
Yes, that was so sweet. Why?
Tell me about the zinc pan.
My grandmother used to cook. Cook. Hot a yellow yam, dumpling, banana, breadfruit, and the big Dutch pot now full of meat. And guess what? The man then can work. Dig much 100 yam here. Plant yam. And then pull them belly and then go and no money up here. Understand, brother? Yeah. But then they're gonna come back again. Never to come back.
Whoa, slow down. Not when Randy's in charge. See, you want me to cuss bad word again. Not when me is charge. Let me tell you something. We're going to go to Manchester. You see, all the Good Life people, we're going to have a week in the year, right?
Yeah.
When all of us come together and fly to Jamaica, we're all going to have our t-shirt and we're all going to go to Norway. We're going to have a big cookout.
Yeah, talk about Norway, man. Oh, yes, you've been down there as well. I stay down there.
Yeah, man. So basically, don't say now, we're going to bring it back. We are going to have a good time. Man. You see me?
You know who me rate?
Who?
Patrick. Again,
Patrick.
A Patrick in here, and he wear a thump on his head.
Yes, a Patrick that.
Jesus.
Patrick, man. My sister, you really, my sister, you really know the bush, you know. I St. Catherine bush you grow up.
Did I make you forget me tell you already?
I St. Catherine bush you grow up. But a Red Hill, so them have bush up there, sir?
Bush, Wally.
Me never really met. Me never really met someone from St. Catherine Bush, you know. Cause me did live at you know, some go Linstead all age. Me live at Charlie Mount too, you know.
Okay, yeah, me know Charlie Mount.
My father was a police in a what, Yuatan?
Yeah, I know Yuatan as well.
Yeah, man. So Linstead all age, St. Catherine.
Not far from there, you know. Not far from Linstead either.
Me know say a Callaloo on a thing, a Callaloo, right? When you go out a Callaloo.
Right now, we just up at the shop. I have to buy 2 tins. And I said, look at this. Come on, buy this color in a tin.
A Carlo in a tin you buy?
Yes, man.
Wow.
But guess what, Andy? Guess what? Thank you. This summer here, you know, England now warm like over here when we come out summertime. Right? And me come here, you see this summer guys? At the back of the yard, I have a little space. And I tell you, we plant tomato, cucumber, pumpkin, again, pepper, hot pepper, bell pepper, corn, eggplant, you name it. And I say, I could have go to the market and say, I couldn't believe.
Wow.
I couldn't believe it.
You're the real thing,
when
man.
When we see you show your mother, and your mother died now, when we see your mother do, she's not afraid I could have gone to the phone and come straight to Brooklyn. Come kiss her. My God.
My mother good, man. She good. You know.
Oh, that made me realize. That's how she do it.
Let me tell you, I'm going to have her up on the show. I'm going to interview her and show the stuff that she's done to celebrate her, you know, and to honor her for what she's done. Because when you talk about herbs and her accomplishment and my aunt, I have to showcase, I have to do a special show for them to show what we can achieve. My family is very great. My family is a great family. Seeing that I came out of the family and I'm trying to bring life back to Jamaica and the world is feeling this. My grandmother had 14 kids. We're spiritually 14 kids. We own the mission house in Manchester. So I knew that our family had to do big things for Jamaica because we have so much wealth as far as farming and spirituality in our family. So I was the one chosen in my family to continue the tradition of that spiritual energy.
That's good, man.
You see, so now what you're seeing now is a manifestation of my whole life, protecting what is sacred to Jamaica. And the herbs and the farming, you know, and I protected it. I made sure I protected it from the people because I knew that, you know, God there not the food, God there not the earth. That's where God really there. You see me? That's where God there. You know, we can be inspired by words, but when you look on the tree, I God there look on. You see?
God himself, I thought.
God there look on. Right? So we know, me know where the real God there. Me know where the real God there. And when me see me hang out with Baba, I hang out with Patrick, and me see God round me, man, and me say, look on God, man. Look on God.
You know, when me I look for Patrick, you know, I mean, I say, look how hard this man work. And look how have been grown and planted things from them. And you know what? Man still see my breathing and going to rob him, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to rob him, you know.
Yeah.
When they gonna go and do the same thing where I do.
And this is what's happening to Jamaica. People are lazy because, you see, if television was showing them how much money farming make, they would be farming. You see, it is about what you teach people and show people, you know. If you show them American lifestyle and jobs and fancy cars and buildings, that's what they want. But if you show them, say, if you plant coconut tree and pumpkin, you can make money, them say, what?
Yes.
Them are going to plant coconut tree and pumpkin. You see me?
Me tell you, say, man, when we come outside and see how is Jamaican food so expensive, you me for Jesus. God.
It's very expensive. Very expensive.
Expensive, but to make us buy food in a Colorado here.
How much?
$3.29. The one.
For one.
To make it do better.
And people at Jamaica don't understand where you go through.
You know what I mean? And Colorado wants something to heat it to grow.
And no matter how much money you make, you still don't want to spend $3 for your canned food.
Exactly. $3.29 to one can of Colorado.
It don't feel right.
I'm going to the drug to even get it cheaper, but
it don't feel right. It don't feel right. You see, my mother sell Carlo. My mother sell Carlo in Brooklyn, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see the whole thing.
Wow.
Let me tell you, I'm so happy, Lady SH. You're the real thing. You know about what other thing you know about where your grandmother used to tell you are used for herbs and things? What can you share with the audience?
My grandmother, when she died, she was 100. She died in October, and the August before, she was 100. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Me grew up with my grandmother. So all of my morals I may have, me get them from my grandmother.
Mm-hmm.
Don't lie.
Mm-hmm.
Don't thief. Respect your elders.
Mm-hmm.
She used to say, if you spit in the sky, your spit come back straight for you.
Mm-hmm.
And some of the something that she used to tell me, I want to say, what she mean?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's fun. But I since become a teenage, I realize that my grandma did teach me something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Everything what she tell me, I can remember.
Mm-hmm.
And I can look at me and say, you know what? Then it was so right. And I know exactly what she has to tell me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Wow. And what kind of herbs she used to always use with you?
Listen to me, man. Listen to me, Randy.
Don't cuss no bad word. Don't cuss no bad word.
When me a belly here, come up here. When you to have a back in our room, you know when I back up?
Let me wait, slow down, let me see if I can guess. Hold on, slow down. Just slow down. Slow down, let me see if I can guess. Slow down, come here, go work with the spirit right now. Let me see if I can go in it. Hold on. Slow down. Let me see. No. I'm going to get 2 choice for this multiple choice question. Let me see. A, it could be, slow down, not say nothing yet. It could be rum with garlic in it. Or B, it could be hogfoot with molasses. I go with hogfoot with molasses.
No, so you have to wheel and come again.
All right, one more chance. One more chance. Let me see.
You didn't get close to it now. What we not tell the one?
Well, we know. Say, Grandma, whenever you're sick,
belly ache.
Belly ache. If a belly ache.
Stomach ache. No matter which one, any one of them.
If a stomach ache, hold on. No say it. No say it. Me going back in the days. Me going back in the head. Let me see. Belly ache. Your belly hurt you. It must probably something with pimento and rum. No? Pimento leaf and rum?
Yes.
Me get it right?
Yes.
Mr. Lord, God no me cause bad word. Me get it right.
Pimento leaf and the ripe pimento and rum.
Me said, don't make me cuss bad word. Don't make me cuss bad word this morning. There is a God. There is a God in here. Somebody in the church say hallelujah. Don't make me cuss bad word in here. There is a God. God live. Pimento. You see? And rum. And look how hard me have to go. Me go into the spirit, you know. And me go back in that time and me see the back, you know. And me say, what grandmother did I use again?
Alright.
And it come to me, you know. No wonder me love pimento, so. Because grandmother used to always make it. talk to me. Give me something more. Give me something else.
That's how I want. Pimenta leaf and rum. And pimenta seed. The right pimenta seed. Well soaked.
Me love you, man. You know your thing. Me love you. You know your thing.
When we have cool, you just said we're going to pick some susumba leaf. You know susumba?
Mr. Stop it!
No, pick a tree susumba leaf and boil that. And man, then get something on with the cool gone. She used to have one nail semi contract. Jesus, it's something stink. But guess what? The body.
You,
trust me, man.
You are.
Let me not cool.
You are a priceless woman, you know.
Not cool there now. You know, I'm going to tell you how old maybe. Right now. We tell you next day. But, me a touch wood. So me know myself. Touch wood again. Never been to a doctor. And doctor tell me, what's wrong with you? Never. One time I wish we still in Jamaica. Trust me. And one of them bush there. What I gonna eat, me drink. Here we are.
Wow.
One of them help them man. And become a foreign non-conflict guava leaf tea in a bag. Guava leaf. Then you used to pick a guava leaf and mix it with the pear. Randy, I want to may have in command right now. Me love pear like puss. What's that puss? You ever wake up in the morning and go bush and see puss in the pear? I just a flicky head two sides. You see? Then he used to mix the pear leaves and the guava leaves together and give us a drink. Put coconut milk in there. Jesus, please.
No. You see what you. Let me tell you something. You see, you're preaching gospel, you know. That is the way you just do to Jamaicans, you know. You see.
When I tell you a truth, a reality, you know.
Me know.
I mean, yeah.
What you're saying is who we are. That is it.
Mr. Granny used to get one. I remember when he treated me. I used to get the bark off of it and boil it. And he beat it away and give us a drink.
I think a bitter wood tree.
How much a bitter wood? I remember her name.
Yeah.
When you drink that, man, you have to get some sugar put on the side for chewing your mouth so you know.
Yes. Me say me love my family. Me love. Now me have an extended family. Now that me fine, you know. Cause the whole of we are country people and town people, and this is what we forgot. This is all what we forgot. You see me?
Me go to supermarket over there. Me see. Me look on the herbal tea side. Me see guava leaf. Tell me what is that Jesus? When me look on it, $4 had. $4. US dollar me I talk about. The one liquor pack.
A guava.
Jamaica. I better Jamaica than other people look for it. Then the bush a grow wild. Wild!
Wow.
And then the something that Granny used to give it to drink.
Wow. 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 You really, I mean, wow, the way them set we up our censorship gonna find, we have to change the mathematical equation. You see, put it like this. I'm a man, me male. I'm a mathematician male. And one thing is not emotions, it is not aggression. Me no deal when I deal with woman, this is why I'm not married. Because I'm a mathematician.
Right.
If it's not logical, it just not gonna work for me. If it no make no sense, if it can't add up, it just not work for me. And me can't go against the equation when me know wrong.
Aye.
We have to balance the thing. So when sometimes you see some Jamaican men that are king men, you have men, then you have king men, then you have God men. Some men that are God men and in charge of certain things and say, this is the direction we go. You say anybody no listen, them good as gone. Just like you say, prophets in the Bible will say to the people, go here. You see, in this time now, Jamaica Good Life launch, it's like the Almighty send me to sound the alarm to all my Jamaican people and tell them, say, it is time to start packing your bags and go straight back to the bush.
Where we come from?
Straight back because the grandmother them are dead off, the grandfather them not. It is our generation.
Exactly.
It is
we now.
We have the information, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see the information where you have? You see, if we never had this conversation, that little information about the pimento and the rum, this information we leave in virtually for our children. That's why I do it. I knew that the most important thing in life was to preserve our culture. You see me?
Well, I'll tell you.
And what you just having the ability to talk to a woman like you and know your thing.
You know I'm a thing, man. My mother has 7 now, right?
7.
Different. All of the one father, right? And me, when I was 7 now, me are the only one. She never grew up with by herself. She gave it to my father, mother, and my grandmother. And trust me, Randy, and the best thing she ever do.
Are you me I look for? Yeah, the chosen man. Are you me I look for?
Yes, God Almighty. The best thing we thank God. So, thank God, man. And my granny. So, when my granny dead, man, he's like the one that had the casket with her.
What you say to me?
Yes, that's right.
Wow.
My granny is my mother.
Wow.
My mother.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm a big long so look after her. One for man take me.
And how long you stayed with her?
From me here 6 months till 18 years. When we start a brand start and start to find the way around, you know what?
Wait a minute. You stayed with her from 8 years old?
From 6 months to 18.
6 months to 18?
Yes, 18 and we are young, big teenage girl.
So wait there, you not no mother or father then?
Eh?
You not have no mother or father, just granny you have.
Right. I'm a father, mother. I'm a father in America here. I used to come and visit. Understand? So I said, get me with my mother. Come here next me on the problem child. Or the child that never wanted. I don't know.
You're the chosen. You're the chosen one. You are the selected.
And to that day now, I'm the best thing since Christ birth.
Are you this? Let me tell you something. Me anoint you, come me find you. You are the. If you're rolling with me, man, you're the chosen. You're the chosen because it is people like you me looking for who had the responsibility grew up with the elders. You have a responsibility for Jamaica.
Me grew up with my grandfather. My grandfather died when he was 95. And my grandmother died at 102 months.
So imagine your wisdom, your wisdom and stillness.
Man, they learn from the people that are ashamed. Learn.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
You're priceless, Lady S.H. You're priceless. This is a blessed morning when I see the text. I see the two white rum buckle on your picture. Me know say you was a spiritual woman.
Why? I don't know why me text it from me. I listen to it and me say, yeah, you talk to one guy who said come from St. Catherine. But he live in England. And like he might have like a problem with him paperwork and things. And then to look at that, me know exactly where I say. You know? Can't say anybody in England for 22 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, and me I listen to it and me say, what time come from same place where me come from?
Mm-hmm.
But me don't know why him still, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And me say, weird, when they link up with British school. The British school, not to link him. Oh, God.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, man. Mm-hmm.
Well, you know, wow, I'm so happy. You don't understand how happy I am to meet you. I mean,
I can imagine.
I'm very happy because you see, one of the reasons I was never married is because women don't speak my language.
I see.
They speak the language of man, me speak the language of God in nature. Simple.
That's right. Simple.
God and nature me deal with. Me not deal with man.
Man.
And the idea of minimalizing, staying with the earth is what me deal with. We can't go too far from what me know God there. Me can't go too far.
Yeah.
And when me see the woman them in them head and them I go too far from God, me say, even if you bring your Bible with you, you're gone too far.
Yeah.
You must stay with the earth. You must plant. You must have natural herbs to feed the picnic. You must continue to learn the tradition.
I remember them I come from, you know. But them throw stone behind me, like them remember them I come from.
Well, you know,
you know, eat roast dumpling and all the time for breakfast.
Eh.
Roast dumpling and pear. And then them I go like them remember. And when they roast them two dumpling, I put it on the ashes. And they cook on the ashes. And then she clear it. And cut two pears. And I'm on a tea. And one more you want.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I have a friend named Vanessa. Vanessa, big up, she live in Brooklyn. Me say, Vanessa, just like you know. Vanessa know the thing, you know.
I know the thing, man. I know the thing.
Me have another friend named Cliff. Him live at Westmoreland. The man know about eating clear. Me say,
you know the thing. When me used to go sit down and pear tree, I would let pear then drop. Me never know the pot, then the whole time pot we have 3 foot.
yeah, man.
I forgot what they call them. But they have 3 foot. It's all right, Dutch pots, you know, but them, they have 3 foot that they can't stand up on.
So you...
Them used to have one.
Me. You used to cook manish water, amani. You used to deal with hasham in a mortar when we are...
Hasham, yes.
You remember them little insect they call, we used to call, what, bakinini, or them used to back up in the sand. Them just back up.
Ah, they know what they're going back with.
Them used to back up in the sand.
Yes, man.
They used to back up in the sand, and then you have we used to have wasps. And my brother used to watch every insect, you know, and they shame me mark at them, and they pad them when you touch them bust. Me go Manchester recently,
yes.
and me touch a pad and it just burst. I'm saying to myself, when I went back to Jamaica, and you touch the plant and it just react to you.
Wow.
You as a shame my marker teach me about God, you know.
Yes. One brush for me just squeal up.
And you said to yourself, this is life. The life actually had changed in front of you.
Me tell you, man, me love me there bad.
And this is why this fever, this thing where I go on with, it has to cut them trick, man. I agree that we should come here for 10 years maximum. If we came here for 10-year maximum, my lady, and then we did live and we build a house, build a house somewhere cheap in America, not expensive, so we can pay feed quick. We build at 50,000. This is my mathematical equation for Jamaica. Your house must not cost more than 50,000, right? It will accrue in value. you must leave America after 15 years, max. If you have to work in the city, get a roommate. Go back to the house where we're at $50,000 on the outskirt, grow your picnic there, so.
Right.
Get a girl from Jamaica to come live with you, to take care of your picnic. Pay her. You help somebody out. Go into the city, work.
Right.
When you're ready to send your picnic to go to college, your house not too expensive, so they're going to get financial aid. Because if your house too expensive in a foreign, you're not send a picnic to college.
Sure.
And then the next step, you start build your house in the country in Jamaica. Do not build no house in no city in Jamaica. Make sure you have 2 acres of land. You plant your coconut tree them around your land counterclockwise. You put your pineapple them. You put your willow tree.
Tree.
And you aki your pear.
That can't have a pear tree, man. That can't have a pear tree.
No, man. Well, let me tell you something. You see, here's when you're going to fall out of your chair. You're going to take a day off when you see the Baba video them. Me and Baba are go bush. About 10 acres of land we have. Pear, yam. And when you go see me pick up the papa, and that's when your mouth are going to drop. You say, that dirty stinking Randy. When you see me take out my knife, I'm going to sit down with Baba and I say, oh, Baba, is that a papa? That's right. And Baba say, oh, yes, Kevin. This is a right papa. I say, let me get it right now. Me take my knife. And me and Baba cut the papa. And you say, God is so good to us, Baba. Let me show the people in the world how God good to we. And that's when you go faint. You go faint. And here am I going to do next, Lady H. This is the point in the journey when I reach. I ask the Almighty, I ask for guidance, because you see, like you say, Randy, you need to continue this. The journey not easy, But me know say a job works me I do. So basically, what you find says, I'm going to build a retreat up in the Norway in the mountain. So now, the land where you grew up on, do you have land in a St. Catherine?
Yeah, man. Grandfather land, family land,
Good, so you can build.
Yeah, man. Family build anyway if you want.
Good, so here where you need to start work pan. Work pan a little square, simple little retreat on your land. Start with a square. Don't think about house. I teach the Jamaican them, because what I'm doing is, any Jamaican who build a square and a bath pan in it and running, just a tank on the top and filtered water in a them square. There are many people who want to rent this thing for retreats.
Oh.
So if you just build a quick square with a nice bathroom and one bed in the middle and mirrors all around it and windows. Simple thing, no big thing, because one room you start with, that is the rule. Jamaicans should not be building house, them should be building one rooms. And when you want a second one, you build on a second one.
You had that right. Always my idea.
Simple squares. You don't build houses, you build squares.
Right.
And you just keep on expanding. Yes.
That's right.
That's where you're not wasting the money, because when I send on the go Africa, I go build square too.
I said, the one that some of the people that must go out there and big up is big mansion. I said, put them a build some big up. I said, that's the thing, when I feed them money, right?
Mm-hmm.
But why? On my time, you look, you hear some man kill them. You know what I mean?
When you build a one little square, nobody now come rob you, You say, come on, do man.
Thank you. I said, why the one you have tried? Let me let the one.
Listen, all you have to do is buy a nice old Toyota car, because you can buy a new engine feet. They don't know say the engine new.
Yeah.
Them see the shell of the shell of the car, but them don't know the engine new.
Chippy your head.
Let me say, when me come through Jamaica with my pretty woman, them say, how woman so pretty? Because the engine in my car new. They say, if the engine of the car new, and my woman pretty in the car, Them no know say me have money.
Thank you. I pay you for it.
And then me get a little square in Manchester. And the people them walk around and say, oh, they come and find them so broke. Look on their house.
Wow. See how we are so.
And me and the woman set up wood fire, roast breadfruit, and she did it.
Thank you.
And them say them dirty foreigner, them mad.
Them cheapy. I'm not seeing them come from them mean, you see.
Exactly. And me send my woman down the hill. Me say, Marcia, my wife for pick 2 breadfruit. And me send my woman in a high heel with stick I got big breadfruit. And that the kind of woman me want. Me don't want no woman. We're afraid of mosquito. Me know, hey, enough woman me date you and say, you know, Randy, I see the bush you're in, but I just want to tell you, buddy, that's not going to work for me. Me say, all right, me open the car door for you. But Randy, I love you. Me say, you can't love me and I love mosquito. You can't love me and I love grung. You can't love me and I love...
bush things, you know.
You can't love me and I love bush.
You know what I mean?
6 o'clock, me expect you to wake up and make me minty, put it on the table by 6, by 6:10 a.m. every morning. If you don't have my minty on the table, we're going to have problem in this house. You know,
later on to put out some more banana, starfish and callaloo.
And now and then we will touch the liver, the young banana with the liver. Let me say to you, man, this...
Just buy a packet to cook some. Strong caramel porridge before I go sleep. I'm not one work last night.
So you're working at the night?
Yeah. I chose to work night. You know, because night a bit more. I need to sleep still.
Mm-hmm.
But less busy. I wind down now, man. I work 16, 17 years straight in I work.
Yeah, you're tired. You're tired.
I do this job, yeah. Take a toll on you mentally.
Mm-hmm.
You have to be strong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. But I love it, you know? If you never love it, no one do it.
Well, let me tell you, you're a real Jamaican woman. You're a real Jamaican woman.
Jamaican, man. Jamaican. When I really can, then I'm a British, you know?
Oh. Me say when me call you first, me almost hang up the phone. Me say no, I must be wrong number.
No. You have to be, you have to be like that sometimes. You know what I mean, mate?
Me say,
but once I get to know you, 100%, Yadi.
Wow, yeah. Let me tell you something.
110% from down a yard.
Wow, you are the realest Jamaican caller me ever have as a woman to rat it.
Really?
Yeah, man, because you see, all you have to tell me, you know, is that you grew up with your grandmother. You see, people who grew up with grandparents.
Randy, listen to this. Me grew with my grandfather and my grandmother, right? When my grandfather sick, I have bad arthritis. I couldn't work no longer. Remember, I'm in a phone, remember. He used to have a brother further up on the hill, right? Well, he work, man. I say work, man, he work. He work like Baba. And I say, you hear me? Every Saturday morning that God said, now forget. And I said, no, you know Thai bag?
Thai bag?
Thai bag.
Shy bag.
One bag what they used to call Thai bag back home.
It's like a...
I'm not a bush go work. They have one bag, one long bag on the shoulder. When they put a little provision now, they might come home and call it side bag.
Okay.
You know the one, they beat it with the one.
Wait, hold on. I know a crocus bag for family use and...
They used to have crocus bag, but they used to have one make out like a material named calico.
Okay.
And flower bag. And somebody should be telling me a side bag. And we say, every Saturday morning, Me have to take that bag and go up the hill. Go to my grandfather, brother. When I come back, pull a little bit up on my head, you know? Breadfruit, banana, dasheen, and yam. When we make it like kata, you know what kata?
Yeah, man. Banana trash. Banana trash.
Roll me up and put it on my head. I tell them when I was about 10, 11, you know, maybe 12. And me have to hold that and try to drop it and walk for about 20 minutes. For me, half an hour to go home back with that. Every Saturday, man, I have to do that.
Wow.
And Friday evening now, me have to walk go far and next place at the butcher shop for them to slaughter a cow. Go buy the beef, to cook the beef soup. It was Saturday, the beef soup I cook on the steer. I chill out the top and smelling weird and a man says about them. I cook.
Wow.
I forget them days there. No, man, no.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, may I tell you, so so you literally come here, work. So you didn't married before?
Yeah, I did marry before. Yeah, I did, but it was quick, you know? Never worked.
Okay.
And I got free bird.
You ready for
Free bird.
yeah, spring chicken.
I'm 3 years old.
Yeah, spring chicken, no.
No, I wouldn't mind married, you know, I wouldn't mind again, you know, but the person has become good. I've been there, done that with a t-shirt, so I know.
Yeah. It's a serious thing to upon now. Boy, you really enlighten me there when I call you. Let me tell you, man, you don't even understand, man. This world is a cold world, you know? It's a cold world out there, son. That's why when the people ask me, I don't know if you listened to the 3-hour show what we do recently. It was 3 hours long, you know. So I'm going to cut it up into pieces, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Because it's too long. But basically, the gist of it was that the Jamaicans, them I feel the energy, them love what I do. And it's like...
I'm going to walk them out there, you know, them tuning out there and watch it, you know, and say, what? A Jamaica, this guy, sometimes you look at them and realize which part they ended. And I realize, so then they have, you call it. Then we tell you their heads, man.
Yeah.
And they're fathers.
Yeah. I mean, you have to understand, say, now that me meet people like Uno, to make my move in a life, no, me can move with a group of people. It is the key. When the group of people have information, they have the same agenda idea to build and to be safe and for growth. Yeah. It's all about good life and safety and happiness.
Yeah, man. And good people on you.
Yeah. And this is why everybody will call me, you know. Them read through what me I put, you know, and everybody will call, you know.
Yeah.
Me no sense because when you show people nature in its rawest form, only those people who are attracted to that will contact you.
Aye.
So whatever you put out, that's what you get.
Yeah. Short man.
So me put out everything nature and righteousness and simplicity. So the people them were into righteousness and simplicity will call me.
Yeah, man. That's good.
So
man,
I tell you, man, the people them in our little group, man, me so happy. You start with trip number 1. You start with trip 1. So did you comment on the videos?
No. That's the only thing I haven't done.
Oh, because you didn't sign in to YouTube. You're one of those watchers that just watch.
Right.
Enough I don't know out there, you know.
I'm right, shy.
Me say enough I don't know out there, you know, just sit down and watch, you know.
You watching, man, and me right. And I say, boy, look at man, me sure they right, they go. Man, I'm going to go to Botswana.
Yeah.
Botswana?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Botswana, yeah. Yeah, man. I watch you. I have the supermarket, yeah, me wait. Watch you.
You're a dirty silent thief, you know. You sit down. You're dirty. You're dirty people. Watch out. But I mean, no, say, and the thing about Jamaicans, you know, before them commit or donate or anything, you have to prove yourself, you know. So now, when these people, you have to, so after I finish up the series now, and them look for me, I'm going to do the last one, I'm say, okay, so now I'm proving myself to, you know, send me $100. Send me bank account, send me email from my bank there. Send the $100, yeah, so. You know how much money I gonna make? Can I prove myself to them? I prove myself to them, so I'm serious about the mission. And let me tell you, when I have to go Africa and spend my own money, when Marcus Garvey never could have do for sure I say I go do it.
Yeah.
I go Africa and show me people that Marcus Garvey I say.
True enough.
You see me?
True thing.
And when me reach, I tell my brother I say I bring 2,000 books on the USB for Africa.
Wow.
Me get a hut for the Jamaica house where I go rebuild. You think I go show you the mission where me depend. I go show you exactly what I go do in Jamaica. The blueprint. And I go map it out. And I go start off with I go map it out and show you where we're going, what we're gonna do.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Because the herbal garden where we are gonna plant up in Manchester, with all the different herbs them, we have all the herbalists. We're gonna build a retreat in the mountains for everybody to go every year and go there to heal themselves.
That's true, man.
You see me?
Sure. Remember when my God used to give me that? They said, me and where the bush them. It's where you go and them herbalists that were there.
Yeah.
They were there. Good while now still. But the lady and her son, I forgot what she name.
Auntie Lee. I mean, Auntie Lena, that, you know, my auntie that, you know. She grew me up.
Me say, me could have hold them. If you are the bush then, Randy, you hold every single one, me know them.
What you said to me?
Me know high talk. Me going. From the trumpet leaf to the search me heart, to the dark blood, to the Guinean weed, to the
donkey wood.
Donkey weed, what are they? Me know them.
What you said to me, man?
Me know them. Yeah, man, there's something in my blood right now. It's still in my blood. Me drink and something like that go to style.
And you never sick in your life.
Touch wood again.
Then you don't need to have a picnic then.
Stop me. I'll go sneeze and blow my nose. Understand? Touch wood again.
Then how come you don't have picnic card that the picnic would have turned out good?
No man, me have one negative born and complication and die. And it's like it's a shock to my system, you know?
Sorry to hear that.
Never go back. Never go back.
Sorry to hear that.
That's okay.
Why I said to me, so you're strong and good.
Well, let me tell you.
Tell me say you're black. Tell me say you're black.
Me black. So,
because you're well informed and there are many like you.
Yeah man, not anybody that grew up with their grandparents. Proper whole time granted. I mean them people that them are come from. It's hard to say, but it's true. Slavery days. You understand?
Yeah.
We are back from them are come from Africa, and I tell you. So, eat this or drink this. Them know what them I do. Yes, I don't want to see this, but I should do a band. So I don't drink. That's how I'm not drinking, no? Anyone will say a good cup, I'm going to you.
Wow. You really,
Yeah,
let me
man.
tell you something, man. You know, there's a lot of my life in the future it's gonna be, my future life is gonna be the best, but it's also gonna be a sacrifice, because I sacrifice it for the people and the country. You see me? Because what me have to do moving forward, you know, is some of the final works, you know, for bring our people back into the thing. And this far that I've reached, man, may I tell you, if you hear somebody like you speak, but know say there's a God, because when I call you and before you even say the 20th of January, I said to I mean say it before you say it, I said, do not let this woman say she born the 28th. Don't make she say that. Don't show me them kind of sign here. Do not make this woman say this. So, and when you say the 28th, I say, no, make me cuss bad word. Don't make me cuss bad word. Because there is no way that I'm driving in my car, drop off my daughter, the first thing I see on my phone, I'm going to say, your name, I call it Brit, because when you send me the text, call it Brit. So I click on your name, I'm going to call you. I'm hear this British woman, so I think it was a British white woman. So I say, wait till you hear it on the show. So anyway, so when I start talk to you and you say, have I run it? I say, oh, this white woman must love Jamaica. Oh, okay. How you doing, ma'am? So me I try to be nice now. I say, ma'am, how you doing? So me I try to find out now. I say, why this white woman I come send me text about Jamaica Good Life? Me say, oh, must be one of them little, you know, the one that me buy Rasta. Me say, okay. Me must me the thing say you are one of them, you know, pothead there where say, oh, I just love Roddy, I just love Jamaica. Me think say that today I go come. And then me I talk to you and me say, this is a refined queen. You sound like Queen Elizabeth himself. Me say, what this for me, your Lord? So how me I go me? So then me start talk to you for kind of pull you out. Pull him out.
I know.
And then for no say, you, if you walk in a parliament today and speak the way you speak, nobody never would have never know say you wait under pear tree. Nobody ever know say you know about crocus bag. Nobody would ever know say you know about dogwood. Nobody would ever know say you know about chicken weed, donkey weed, jack in the bush. Nobody would ever know. Maybe you don't even know that one day. Me don't know not. Manishman. What name?
Manishman.
Manishman?
Manishman, yes. It's one little red. Oh, one little rose pink. It's like a deep pink color. One little, it's blue, one little pink flower.
At the first time I hear about that?
No, money is the mother, your mother, also mother, Manishman, and one of the one named Spirit Weed.
And
Father Jesus.
Spirit Weed, yeah, me hear about that, and Donkey Weed.
Alright. When God mix it to them, they boil it with you. Oh, God.
Wow.
Yeah, man. You name it.
Wow. You see, there are a couple of things that separate different kind of Jamaican people. You know that the kings and the queens, the more people who are royal, they're herbalists.
Yeah.
They don't mix with a lot of people. You know that what's in your blood determine your social status.
Is it?
So when you're born in the country and you drink a lot of herbs, you know, and you heat, you know, your future you don't get sick. You don't get sick.
That's what it is. I'm not people with them and nothing now could it every time we talk. It's true.
You don't get sick. And
yeah, man. It's the power when Granny are giving them and then we say, you know what? When we reach her age, we realize that she do a good thing.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Why, Mrs. You're priceless. You know, you're priceless. You're priceless.
Yeah, man.
You're priceless.
Remember me when food ration sometimes. Mr. Food. I mean like chicken and then what like sometimes in the country, if you not got a town, sometimes you can't get a chicken. Buy chicken in the yard, that used to have chicken which raised and run up and down in the yard. But she don't want to kill them that we eat. You understand? But she a pet them. Want to them. So when they used to cook food, breadfruit and yam and banana and something long. You're not going to know this one, I remember it as a young picnic. Jesus, when him again. Oh God. Oh, he gone from his the head now. Ooh. He come like color look. I'm a color look. Shit.
Hold on.
Sorry, excuse me, friend.
Let me see. You said, where she used to cook it with?
She cook it at its own. She cook it with saltfish, anything.
I know pop show you're talking about.
Ah, man. It's a pop show, Papi. Pop show, a delicacy. A delicacy.
A wild cabbage?
And a cabbage. Kappa hook. You don't know that?
Kappa hook.
Kappa hook.
What that?
Alright. After mother. Hey. You know.
Yeah.
I go back to Jamaica, ask Baba.
You're show off, you know. You're show off.
And Gully, I used to be out of the cocoa tree. The young heart, I eat. When you steam that, then I'm be of eat. Hey, yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna give you that cassava leaf. There's something again. Potato leaf. Yeah, eat. You think a color you eat. It's sweet like sugar with the saltfish.
Wow.
Yeah, man. You don't forget. Young girl, what not forget?
Wow.
You don't forget coming out the go in the kitchen, go help her, innit?
Wow. So she keep you righteous. You are a good girl in church growing up.
Right, every Sunday now. Just put on my clothes, my Sunday best and go to church with her.
So do you have pictures with her?
You know, I haven't got any picture with her, you know. That's a very good question. You know, in the days, you wasn't even thinking. You wasn't even thinking. I haven't got no pictures with her. I've got pictures of her, but not with her.
Do you have pictures of you when you were younger?
No, not that young. No.
So you left her at 18, then you came to the States?
No, I left her at 18 and I went into Spanish Town.
Uh-huh.
Then from there, I worked as a hairdresser. Then I went to England. 1990, oh Jesus, 96? No, 97.
Uh-huh. Wow.
From there, I went to college, I went to university, and here I am now.
On Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, Jamaica Good Life, yes. We love the program to tell us our shame. Love it, man. Love it, love it, love it.
Man, I tell you, man, the people all over the world. Them they all over the world, Miss Lady H. I tell you, SH, it's a beautiful morning. My whole life now is dedicated to this movement to continue on this journey. You know, it's been 20 years I've been doing it.
Wow! Where was I?
And you just start following.
About a year ago.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's not. I was SaveJamaica.com first, And and it was, I have films of the Maroons in St. Mary dancing. Me have Nine Night. Me have.
Of course, you see that. Of course, I've seen it.
Yes.
9 Night, everybody that's on the road and about dance.
Yes.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen that.
Some of this stuff I've taken down, I'm gonna put back up. You know, because people need to understand the amount of work I did for Jamaica. And the recent show I did with the lady talking, you'll see all the pictures. I don't know if you see all the pictures when this lady was talking about safety in Jamaica. And I think it's about 49 or so. But it was a lot of work, man. So now it's reaching the masses, you know. I'm so happy to find people like you, you know. So hold on a second. So happy to find people like you. Hold on a second. I'm gonna wrap up the show, then I'm gonna, you know, talk to you for a second. All right, so this is Brandy on Jamaica Good Life. This is Lady SH. I'm going to be talking to her a lot more because she has the knowledge that we need. She's the one we want to find because I'm looking to continue to edify. Now, Lady SH, send some love to your family. Talk to the people over the world. Talk to them.
Yeah, man, I love this show. I'm tell you, I never heard about it before. Sit out there here now, I've been following you, and trust me, I've been hooked. I'm going to take up the courage to reach out to you, you know what I mean?
The courage.
Yes, a courage. Okay, let me try.
God.
Man, pick up the courage and reach out to you. This time of Jamaican, we have something blessed for the country and better for the whole away, abroad and abroad. And I hope everyone are with Jamaican, all one are Jamaican, but especially we Jamaican, tune in, follow you, contribute, and just build your empire.
Wow, I love that. You see, y'all give me the blessings. It's gonna happen.